I'd love to see you, my dearest friend. It's been so long since we last hung out. There's a new spot that opened up. Maybe we should check it out.
Ice cream, we'll go get ice cream. Vanilla ice cream, imagine that. Our hands are never clean while eating this delicious treat. We're all together eating ice cream. Let's go to the shop, to the ice cream shop. You can rock and you can roll, do the stuff and even stroll it at the shop. You can swing it, you can groove it, you can really start to move it at the shop. Nations that are sweeping the nation at the shop. Let's go to the shop, to the ice cream shop. Let's go to the shop. Let's go to the shop. Wow, wow. Let's go to the shop. Let's go to the shop. Let's go to the shop. On the streets of ice cream, we're going to the shop. Ice cream, we'll go get ice cream. Ice cream, for ice cream. Let's go. Let's go to the shop. Let's go to the shop. Let's go to the shop. What I want, you've got. I just need to check the menu. Oh, just one little taste and then you will never be the same. But I've got a full shop of treats and sweets to sample. Even more than you can handle. And now we can't explain. Oh, how to make ice cream dreams come true. Well, you can make ice cream too. Here's what you need: whole milk, heavy cream, fresh eggs, sea salt, sugar. Pour some sugar on it. In the name of love, pour some sugar on it. Come on, churn it up. Pour some sugar on it. Can't get enough. Sugar. Add vanilla. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. We're down on you. I'm down on my daydream. That sugar rush should be over right now. I know. Well, you make my dreams come true. Well, you make ice cream dreams come true. One scoop, maybe two scoops, not enough, more scoops. Sunday kind of I think I know what I'd like to eat. A treat with ice cream that's oh so sweet. Let's make a Sunday treat. A Sunday treat for two feet. Let me think, you know we need some bananas. Beat, hey, yes, let's get some bananas. Beat, hey, yes, the split is bananas. Beat, hey, yes, the split is bananas. Beat, hey, yes. Ooh, that's my split, that's my split. Ooh, banana split, banana split.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
What?
We really want an ice cream sundae.
Yeah!
But we only have ice cream and bananas. What else do we need?
Now we need a magic touch. One thing we love oh so much. It's the one thing you might have guessed. It'll make our Sunday better than the rest. We need a cherry bomb. You know what we want? It's a cherry on top. Yeah, you know what we want. It's a cherry bomb, cherry bomb.
Actually, I think we're still missing something.
Well, let's think. We have ice cream, bananas, cherries.
Oh, I know!
Sprinkles! Every day is a sprinkle party. Treat yourself to that sweet ice cream. Come on in, it's a sprinkle party. Help yourself to anything you find. Wait, that was mine! Ice cream sundae. Ice cream sundae. Bananas, ice cream, cherries, sprinkle party! Ice cream sundae.
Walking down the street, I got the clouds under my feet, and I'm high on living this life I've been given. 'Cause I got you, and it's a feeling in my body, and it's a fever in my soul. I feel it going all inside me, from my head to my toes. Life is
Cause I got you. You can't get me down. No, cause I'm 1,000 feet off the ground. All you haters, see you later. I got no time for you now. Too busy soaking up the good vibes. My body's bursting at the seams. Cause for the first time in a long time, I know what happiness means. Life is sweet.
One more time for sound check.